Okay, we are live now. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. Its time is 4:03 p.m. and today, okay, 26 people are there. Still, I'll be waiting for some more time so that people join, and then we will start the class. Are you able to all of you are able to see me and hear me, guys? Give me a yes if you all are able to hear. Okay, great, great. Okay. People are still there, people are joining, so let's wait for some more time for the people to join. People on LinkedIn, I hope you all are also able to hear and see me. So let me check that. Okay, great. Okay, so how are you all good? Yes. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, Pratap, nice. Okay, Harika, Ramcha. Okay, Ramcha, Narsimha. Okay, great. Nice. Rishabh, nice to see you all. Okay, so still we will wait for some more time. Omkar, doing well. Hello, sir. Yes, Mukul Gupta, good. Okay, great. I coded. Okay, Monica is asking. I coded in Python only, Monica. Okay, all the exams I coded in Python only. Okay. Hi, Praveen. Other than Naukri, LinkedIn, please tell other sources to get calls. InstaHire is one good platform which I have used. So that is one good thing, right? Yes, I am good. Badhiya. Hi. Oh, nice. Okay, so today's class, I will set the agenda for you, and then we will start the class. As a ritual, you all know that we always talk on what we have to do before the class, right? So if anyone is on the Telegram, can you please post in the Telegram chat for the people to join with the link? Yes. Okay. Hi, Rect. I have not used right, so I would not comment on that. Hi, Vishnu. Hi, hello. Okay, great. How to change from data analytics to DevOps? We will talk in a little bit of time. Okay. No, Python. As of now, you can expect something like your Jagish. We have already completed in the previous weeks. Okay, please check that. Okay, please check that. Jogeshwar. Okay, please check that. I have completed Boto 3 with Python. Okay, check that in previous sessions. It will be there. Okay, Pratap, that's good. Hi, everyone. This is Ruwoko. Okay, Ruwoko from Tanzania, East Africa. Good. Okay, shall we start the class? I see 45 plus people. We are waiting for, okay. We are waiting for 5 more people to join, and we will start the class. And please ping in the Telegram chat. Okay. Let me see. Okay, all of you, please ping in the Telegram chat the link and tell to your friends that the session has been started. Okay, all of you can please ping on the Telegram chat. Someone has tried, it seems. Can you all once more try to send the Telegram? Send the link. We are waiting for 2 more people to join, and then we'll start the class. It's 4:06 right now. We'll be able to start the class by 4:07 or 4:08. Okay, Tharak, great. Debashish, yes. Okay, one more. Can you all ping? Okay, great. Okay, nice. Okay, Sneha Priya is pinged. Okay, thanks for that. Okay, I will also put the chat message. Please join the live class. Okay, great. So let me start with what is all there. Okay, what is all there for you all today's session? Okay. No, that's fine, Abdul. I know you. I remember you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, let's start the class. I will share my screen as a ritual. We will first set the agenda for the class. What we are having, what are the things you are going to learn, and what is that? Notes. Okay, I'll be opening my Microsoft Notes. So all of you see here, this is what is the Microsoft Notes I would be taking out for you all, and I will be screen sharing for everyone, those who are here. Okay, all of you see. Now let's start the class without wasting much time. Yes, definitely, Rishabh, there are much things to discuss. So all of you see, I will be typing like the agenda for today's class. Okay, let me put this bold. Okay, so as the topic says, today is your CICD session. So few things which I would be telling in this session is basically, you would see like, mostly I'm targeting on Groovy today. Okay, Groovy scripting. Like, you know that when an interviewer is asking you a question, what I have heard from many students is people are not able to reply to him in proper way, like what is Groovy, what are the coding in the Groovy is needed, how much extension you should know the knowledge of the Groovy, different kinds of scenarios, right? We will be covering today, like your Jenkins Groovy jobs. Okay, Jenkins with Groovy jobs we will cover today. Okay, the second one we will see is Jenkins shared library. Okay, clear everyone. The third thing we will see is Jenkins parallel jobs. Okay, Jenkins parallel jobs execution. Okay, and the fourth thing we will see is Jenkins trigger of other jobs. Okay, one second. Jenkins file trigger of other jobs. Okay, now all of you clear with the agenda? We will see various use cases here. So first we will start with basics. What is CICD? What is that? What is all about? You should know. And then we'll focus today on Groovy. And then we will see interview questions of Jenkins. And then I will tell you some troubleshooting of what is exactly, like what are the questions you can expect in the product-based companies. What are those things we will see. Clear agenda? All of you clear with the agenda, guys? Yes. Clear everyone with the agenda? Guys, all of you clear with the agenda? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. There is a lag in my voice. Yes. Okay. Harika is telling yes. Okay. Let's start the class. Let's start with some basic things. Okay. So today is your week 3 of CICD real-time scenarios, where we'll be talking mostly on mostly on the Groovy scripting, how the pipelines are created, what are the structure, what is the skeleton, what you need to know, what are the things you should be knowing, all those things. And basically, this is Bootcamp4, which we are running on YouTube. All right, and already I have completed 3 free bootcamps. This is the fourth free bootcamp which I'm running, and we are in week 3. Okay, so I will go over this slide quickly, which we have completed in the last class. But yeah, in order to make you all understand what is CICD, those who are joining new today, just we will make them understand what is CICD. Then quickly we will jump onto the Groovy scripts, where what type of Groovy scripts you should know, what is the understanding of the Groovy scripts, and all those things we will discuss. Okay, so all of you see here, this is the scenario basically which we have covered in the last class, like last week. But yeah, in order to make sure you all are well versed with the data of what we are going to achieve today, I just wanted to make you all understand. Okay, clear everyone? So let me turn on this pen. So all of you see here, in the last class we have discussed many things, where we discussed like the Jenkins, which we are talking always, is like a train. Okay, Jenkins is like a train, and each stage which you are seeing today, which you will see how we are going to prepare the stages, each stage is like a tool. We have seen in the last class, each stage is like one integration of the tool, right? And the entire Jenkins is like the train, and each box is like your compartment, and the code which is going inside this compartments is basically your passenger. Okay, did we discuss in the last class or not? This correlation have we done in the last class, guys? If you all remember, right? We have done in the last class this correlation. Yes, everyone? If you all remember, I clearly told in the last class, like passenger is the code who is coming and going over each of the compartment. The train is Jenkins. So I will correlate here. All of you write down in your notes. The train is Jenkins. Okay. The passenger is code. The stages is nothing but your tools. Okay. Clear everyone with this concept? Very simple. Clear everyone, right? I told you all, right? Okay. You all remember that. Okay. Now, what we are going to see is just a recap of the previous session, just one slide only. So what I have told you, all of you see here, whenever a developer, this guy is a developer, right? This guy is a developer who pushes the code into the GitHub, right? Who pushes the code into the GitHub, and immediately after the push of the code into the GitHub, this is a tool, and this triggers the Jenkins job. And by which factor it triggers? You see here, there is a parameter called Jenkins file. So today we are concentrating on this Jenkins file, and with this Jenkins file only the entire architecture of this one is relied. Okay, this is placed. Clear, everyone? Right? So let's see what are the things you should be knowing in this Jenkins file which you are seeing, right? Jenkins file. There are basically two types of Jenkins file. Okay, there are two types. One is all of you, if you are writing in the notes, one is scripted pipeline, one is scripted Jenkins file. Okay, one is declarative. So basically what happens is in scripted there is a different concept, in declarative there is a different concept. Today we will only see how we can make a declarative pipeline. Okay, a declarative pipeline by using Jenkins file. Clear, everyone? This is what we will see today. Clear, everyone? All of you? Today we will see a declarative pipeline creation by using the Jenkins file. Clear, everyone? Right? No questions, right, till now? Great. Okay. Now all of you see here. Okay, all of you see here. Now with this all this architecture, whatever I'm just showing you on the overview with the red button, right? All this is happened because of Jenkins file only. Okay, now in this Jenkins file, if you see, what are the tools you are seeing, guys? Tool number 1, tool number 2, tool number 3, tool number 4, tool number 5, right? And various kinds of other tools are also there. Now with the tools, let's think like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many compartments I should have in this train? All of you, can you tell me how many compartments I need to have in this train? Can you all tell me how many compartments I need to have, guys? Yes, how many compartments? 5? Yes, yes, no? 6 or 5? How many? I have 5 tools with me. Now 5 or 6? 5 or 6? 5? Right? No, it should be 5. Okay. So let's design this compartment how it should be. So basically, all of you see here. Now only these tools are 5. One is Maven, M. The second one is Docker. The third one is Terraform. The fourth one is EKS. And beyond this, there is a SonarQube. So guys, always you need to know Sonar comes first, Maven comes second, Docker comes third, Terraform comes fourth, and Kubernetes comes fifth. Now beyond this, there is one more stage where the passenger tries to enter into the pipeline. Okay, these all things you will see now. Okay, so now you see the first stage is Maven, right? Usually what happens, right? In some organization, people will tell that, okay, Maven can come first and then SonarQube. But usually in the organization, SonarQube comes first and then Maven starts. And if you see, let's consider that SonarQube comes first, right? As per our train, our design. SonarQube comes first. The code is coming here. Okay, the code is coming here, here, here. It is going here, here, here. And then what it is doing? It is doing the static code analysis and quality gate check. I have told in the last class, these two, quality gate check and the static code analysis, are purely dependent on your code. The type of code you take, let's take Python is your code. Let's take Java is your code. Let's take Node.js is your code. Depending on the type of code, you set the gate in the pipeline. Let's think, what is the gate? Suppose this is 5-stage gate. And after running the code over the SonarQube, what will happen is basically, once you run the code over the SonarQube, the bugs, I have told everything, the vulnerabilities, right? The issues, whatever are there, will be shown on the Sonar dashboard, and immediately the pipeline will fail. Okay, the pipeline will not go ahead, and developers will come to you for help. Okay, developers will come to you for the help here. Okay, in simple terms, you are the boss of that pipeline. So basically, clear everyone, you are the boss of that pipeline. Okay, now all of you see here. Now all of you see here what we are going to do. Now when this type of things happen, right, let's take your code is coming here, coming here, coming here. If any issues, then pipeline will fail. Okay, pipeline will fail, or else pipeline will pass. Okay, or else pipeline will pass. Clear everyone? Now let's assume that this stage has passed, then immediately it will go here for the Maven build. Now when the Maven build is happening, if you can see the jar, or you can say the var, right, the code which is of 10 GB, all of you need to understand the 10 GB of code is converted into the jar, var, or small files of MB, right? From GB to the MB conversion is done via the tool that is Maven. So Maven is basically a build tool. Okay, and what is Sonar? Sonar is basically a code quality tool. CQT BT. Okay, this is build tool, this is code quality tool. Now once the Maven is run and both the output has been obtained, now what is the binary product of these two is basically, by the time here it comes, right, by the time it comes, now what happens is here you get the jar file. All of you see here, after the build is completed, after the testing is done, right, the build is coming here and the jar file is coming here, right? So the output of the code which has been sent, the code was 10 GB here, and later it converted into 10 MB. Okay, so the transition of the first layer, right, first layer is converting the code from GB to MB, as simple as that. Now let's see how this 10 MB of code is converted into the next steps. The 10 MB of code is converted into the next steps by using Docker. Now here the pure form of Docker will be coming. Now with this Docker, what will happen is, with this Docker, you are going to convert your file into even smaller file. Now here 10 GB was there, here 10 MB is coming. Now here you can think like 5 MB or 4 MB. Okay, oh sorry, 5. Okay, okay, so 10 GB was here, 10 MB is here, and here it is coming as 5 MB. Okay, now what is the process? Now jar file is here, this jar file is converted into an image. Okay, where is the image? This is the image. This jar file is converted into a photograph. Okay, let's consider this is the image, and this image will be probably lesser than the 10 MB or 5 MB or 4 MB, and then it is sent to the repository. Now what will happen is, once the image is created by Docker, so the cycle is like this: 10 GB to 10 MB to, let's take 10 KB. Let's imagine this is the flow. This is 10 GB, and in between there is Maven, in between there is Docker, and now whatever the output we have created, it should be placed in the Docker hub. The very next thing which it will do is placing the thing into the Docker hub happens via the Docker push command. So if you see, Docker push command is pushing the image, right? The Docker push command is pushing the 10 KB of image into the repo. Clear everyone? Clear everyone till here? This is all things we have done in the last class. Jar or var is an active artifact of the code. Yes, jar or var is the artifact of code. Clear everyone till here, guys? What we are trying to do? Yes, Vaishnavi, everyone. Mohammad Asif, Prashant Chaudhary. Clear ho sab log? The first level of things. ठीक है? Guys, give me a yes if you are clear with what we are thinking. Okay, great. Okay, now all of you see here, the very next step again depends on your manager, how your manager wants to take your data ahead. Now till here, guys, this is CI pipeline. All of you need to understand, this is CI pipeline. Before Docker, whatever you have done is your CI pipeline. Now here it will be CD pipeline. So basically in the CD pipeline, there are two things. One is with infra, WI, and WOI, without infra, with infra. So in this example, I'll be showing you with infrastructure. With infrastructure means you have to introduce Terraform. Now, what this Terraform will do? Terraform is a tool in DevOps which will create the infrastructure for you where you can deploy your code and application basically. Clear, everyone? It creates your virtual private cloud, it creates your subnets, it creates your VPCs, everything from scratch, your databases, everything, right? And your code, whatever is converted into an image, is deployed here and it will be running successfully. Clear, everyone? Now what happens, right? Once your code or your trigger form comes, this is with infra. It means we are creating, we are creating the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, Kubernetes cluster, and we are deploying the application onto the Kubernetes. Now on the fly it is sometimes. So how many of you have doubt, like, Praveen, why we are creating infrastructure? How many of you have doubt? Okay, why only Terraform? I will tell you, Pratap, just 1 second. How many of you have doubt, like, why we are creating infra? Why can't we create earlier and then deploy? Any doubt such kind of that you have, guys? Anyone have that doubt, like why we are creating infra? No doubt? You have, Sneha? Anyone else have the doubt, like why only we are going with the Terraform? Only one person. Okay, why? Okay, Pratap is telling why only Terraform. Okay, let me tell you here. Very simple thing is cost. Guys, all of you need to understand, you are a DevOps engineer. You need to save the cost. Save cost. Yes or no? You all understood? Save cost. Now, in lower environments, all of you need to understand, we have 4 type of environments in any organization: dev, QA, stage, and prod. Okay, these are 4, what you can say, like 4 environments where development teams deploy, and this all environments are maintained by DevOps engineers only. Okay, DevOps engineers, where your code is placed, similarly like your Play Store, right? So what I want to tell is Terraform. Why only Terraform? Terraform is very powerful, guys. It is more powerful than Ansible, and it has special feature like it can work with multi-cloud. It can create your resources in multi-cloud environment like AWS, Azure, GCP, everything. You write code once, but you work on various cloud environments with the same code. Clear, everyone? Now what will happen is, when you have multiple environments, and you can think like, for a particular QA environment, you only need this environment when you want to test something. Yes or no? We only need, yes or no, guys? Now at least 5-6 people have to tell me yes, then only I will move forward. Tell me the truth, that whenever you want to test something, you need the environment. Yes or no, guys? That is as simple as that. Yes, Manohar sir, great, thanks for joining. It's having more advantages. Yes, that's what I wanted to tell, right? 5 people, yes, you all understood, right? Stage means UAT pre-pod. Yes, stage means it's like deployment environment. Dev means development people will do testing. Development people will do testing. QA means testing team will do testing. Yes, all of you understood? People on LinkedIn are more active today. Great, right? So what will happen, right, when you think in this way, right? What will happen is basically, right, what will happen is, when you want to create an environment, right, it should not be up and running 24 hours. I don't need my environment to be up and 24 hours, because it's costing me 10 rupees. Let's assume that this 24 hours time is costing me 10 rupees, and even I don't want to waste that time or that amount. So what I will do, whenever a QA deployment is triggered, okay, QA deployment is triggered, right, what will happen is basically this will create the infrastructure for me for, let's take 30 minutes until the testing is done, right? And it will create the infrastructure, and the code is getting deployed, and the code is running successfully here, and my team will test on the code, and after 30 minutes it will get auto destroyed. So here probably I am getting the cost of, let's take 4 rupees. Now which one is good, guys? creating infrastructure on the fly is good. I mean, again, my use case is not 24/7/365. My use case is when I need testing, I need to have my environment. Clear? As simple as that, guys. Clear, everyone? Right? Very simple, right? I am not talking about anything rocket science here, right? Yes, on the fly. Yes. Yes, Balakrishna, correct. Using Terraform, we can destroy the architecture whenever we don't need. Okay. Okay. All of you now see, we are going to the pipeline scripts. Okay. I will show you different kinds of pipeline, and the architecture from here will be different use cases. Now, from here, all the use cases will be different. Whatever I learned in my organization, I'll be keeping straightforward to here. Okay. Now you see, whatever the pipeline jobs you have seen, like 1, 2, 3, 4, the skeleton, right? And I will show you various scenarios. Now this is use case 1. Let's assume that in this use case 1, what are you going to see? Now, how many of you have doubt that, okay, all of you tell me, how many of you have doubt that you cannot write Jenkins file from your own? Any person is here? Please raise hand, because I also don't know. Anyone is there who can tell that when interviewer is asking you in the interview, you are not able to write the Jenkins file? Anyone is here? Anyone? Guys, please be frank, so that I can go into depth and make you understand what are the important things you need to know. How many of you say that you cannot do the Groovy code? Guys, people on LinkedIn, I want your response also, please. You cannot do Groovy code, right? Guys, people on LinkedIn, are you all there? People on YouTube, are you all there? Please tell me. Give me a yes. If you are not knowing, I will be telling in depth if you need. Yes, you all know, right? Yes, you cannot write, right? Yes. What about others? Sneha, okay. Pavan, Kenshe, right? Others are able to write. Okay, still Harish is telling he's not able to write, right? Okay, great. Now let me tell you, yes, Groovy not clear. Nikita is there. Okay, good. Okay, can write basics. People on YouTube are silent. Today people on LinkedIn are more powerful. I don't know, like okay, yes, tell me the details. Okay, great. I am able to understand, but I cannot write. Okay, let me tell you all a small hack in today's class we will see. Okay, and after this class, mark my words, you all will be able to write Groovy script. Are you all ready for this? I am 100% guarantee that after this class, you all will be able to write your own Groovy code. Yes or no? How many are you with me? Yes. Are you with me? Yes. Give a high five if you are with me. Great. Yes. Right. So that is my challenge for today's class. I am telling, yes, Nagaraj, today we will go into depth, and I am going to tell you each and every scenario that is needed for you to tell to the interviewer, and we are going to cover all the things which are needed for you to know. Okay. And beyond this, interviewer cannot go. 1 or 2 use cases I will tell from my experience also, right? And whatever I have kept, these are all my company experiences, whichever I have learned. Clear, everyone? Great. Right, let's start the class. All of you don't write anything on the notebook. Okay, just watch my screen. Okay, the first scenario we are going to cover. Okay, 1 second. The first scenario which we are going to cover in today's class is about your Groovy script. Now, in basics, guys, what you need to do, or what you need to know in order to write a Groovy script. Write a Groovy script. Very, very simple. I am 100% sure after this class, you will be able to write your own Groovy script. And if I am giving you some task, you will be able to achieve. Okay. Now, all of you see here, when I say write a Groovy script, very, very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Now, all of you see here, this diagram, all of you need to see. The blue color is the pipeline. There is an agent. There is a stage, there is a step. Now, I will repeat again. All of you need to understand what we are talking about here. Okay, all of you see here, there is an agent, number 1, Okay, number one is pipeline. Let me tell number one, number two, number three, number four. Okay, now tell me how many components are here, right? Four components are here, all of you, right? Four components. One is pipeline, agent, stage, step. Clear, everyone, right? The four components which you need to by heart or which you need to remember is one is pipeline, agent, stage, and step. Is that clear to everyone? Yes. What is unable to see? Harish, I am sharing screen. Yes, Groovy needs to be known to everyone. Okay, clear, everyone? There are four steps which you all need to know. Okay. Okay, there are four steps which you need to know. These are the four things. Okay. Pipeline, number one, number two, agent, number three, stage, and number four, steps. Now, if you all are clear, let me go ahead and show you, right, what is the code, right? Clear, everyone, right? Let's see the code. Now, very, very simple, guys. The first use case is my manager is giving me a task. Okay. The first use case, all of you see here, use case one. Okay. What is this? My manager is giving me a task where he is asking me to take the parameters from Jenkins job, okay, and pass it over the Jenkins file. So basically, what is that? You have a job, right? And you need to pass it to the Jenkins file. Okay, very simple. Suppose you have a keyword like DevOps. This DevOps value has to be passed via job to the Jenkins file. And inside the Jenkins file, if you see stage, right, what are the stage compartments, right? This compartment from the Jenkins file, I need to pass this value, right, to various compartments. Clear, everyone? So that is my use case one. Are you clear with the use case one? Again, I will repeat if you are not clear. Are you clear with the use case one? Yes. Clear, everyone, with the use case one? Guys, yes. Okay, clear? Okay, let's see use case one. If you are clear, I will be explaining a small thing here again. There is a Jenkins job. Okay, there is a Jenkins pipeline. Okay. Okay, in this pipeline, I am passing the keyword as DevOps. And this DevOps keyword has to be taken by the file, right? And it has to be sent to the lower stages, these two. Okay, there are baby stages like here and here, it should be sent. Okay, let's see how to write that code. Scenario one. Okay, scenario one. Okay, the first scenario. Now, all of you see here, very important, the pipeline. Whenever you write a Jenkins file, right, the first thing which will start is basically your pipeline. Okay, the very first thing which you can write, which you have to write, or which depicts or which tells that this is a Jenkins file. Okay, this is a Jenkins file, is basically your pipeline. Okay, the pipeline code which you are writing starts with the first syntax called pipeline. Okay, clear, everyone? So this is pipeline. Now agent, see guys, everything is here only. Agent. When I talk about agent, what does this mean? Now this entire code, whatever you are writing, has to be run on a server, right? And that server name we should give here. When I say agent any, it means whatever the available Jenkins server, this code will run. Let's take, I have 10 server. The any keyword will pick up from any of the server, and it will pick up and it will run. Clear, everyone? Right? Suppose I say agent equal to DevOps. Okay, and I have a server with name DevOps. So this code will run on this agent only. That is the difference. When I say any, it means we are giving the Jenkins file the option to go and search for any of the file. And when I say agent DevOps, it means I am telling the code to be run on the particular server named DevOps only. Clear, everyone? Now parameters. Now one of the important keyword which you all need to know, that is your parameters. Now what will happen in the parameters is, this is 1, this is 2. Now this is where our coding starts. Now here my manager told, right, I need to get the value from the Jenkins and I need to pass it to the file, and from the file I need to pass it to the stage, this one, right? So what I am trying to do, see how many parameters are there in the coding, guys. All of you need to tell. How many parameters are there in coding? Strings, variables, strings, boolean. You all know that, right? Strings is there, boolean is there, where like what the true or false is the boolean, obviously, right? String, boolean, integers, right? Clear, everyone? Integers are there, right? So similarly, what we are trying to do here is, all of you see here. Now you see here, when I want to read a parameter called string, right? When I want to read a parameter called string, what is the name of the value which is coming from Jenkins job? Okay, from the Jenkins, the user would have passed like user ID. Okay, user ID equal to, let's take IBM user. Okay, let's take IBM user default value. Okay, IBM user. Okay, or else user ID equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Let's think like this. This is what I am passing from Jenkins job. And when I'm mapping like this string, name equal to user ID, and the value, if no value is coming, it is taking default as IBM user, or else it is taking the user ID. Clear, everyone? Or else it will come here like user ID equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Clear, everyone? Right? So the user ID is replaced with the ID that is allowed. Now there are other things like password. When you want to send a password from the Jenkins job to the Jenkins file, you have to use the password keyword. Now in the password keyword, the default value is password protected. You cannot see the description, and the connection string is password. Now connection password means the value which is coming and sitting here will be your data, right? Now you see description, we can give anything. This is your description. Any description you can give, like ABC password, okay, or something else. Now when I am not having default value, what it will happen, the PWD will be replaced with ABC or DEF, right? The value which is coming from the internal data of the Jenkins job. Now are you clear how many values are there? One is string, one is password, this one is also string. What is the string? Now database URL. Now when you are passing database URL, you need to map like this and it will take the data. Are you clear? The default value is this, but if you are passing something from the Jenkins job, the value will be sitting and coming and sitting here. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, till the parameter section? All of you? Guys, all of you, give me a yes, or if you, yes, please tell your question, Harish. I have a question. Jenkins file and pipeline CD, both pipeline CICD, both are different, right? Jenkins file is the configuration which is running the CICD. As simple as that. Clear, everyone? What about others? Guys, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, all of you clear? Yes. Repeat again. Okay, Prashant is asking repeat again. So let's repeat once more. Okay, how to password string as encrypted? I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you. Is Groovy script is case sensitive? No, Groovy script is not case sensitive, but this is like declarative scripting. Now, okay, good. You are asking questions. That's good. Okay, all of you see here. This is declarative. Declarative. When you say declarative, the syntax should be followed. Okay, when you say declarative, it means the syntax should be followed. Clear, everyone? Very simple. When we tell declarative, it means that the syntax should be followed. Okay, so syntax is pipeline, parameters, everything. Guys, this is universal script. Everyone needs to write like this only, or else it will fail. Clear, everyone? Now few are asking, see guys, when the value is coming here, we will not do anything. Okay, the data which is coming from the backside will be sitting here. Okay, that is as simple as that, right? Now, one more thing someone is asking, repeat again. Okay. There are 4 parameters I told you. One is pipeline, one is agent, one is stage, one is step. Now, if you see pipeline, it depicts that it is a Jenkins file. Okay. It depicts that it is a Jenkins pipeline script. And one more thing, when you say Jenkins plus Jenkins file, okay, it will give you the CICD. Okay. Jenkins has a configuration file. Okay. And with that help, the CICD is created. Now, I hope you are understanding. Jenkins has a Jenkins file, and if they both are combined, then the CICD pipeline is obtained. Okay. So now you see, pipeline means we are creating the pipeline. Agent means where this entire code has to run. Okay. This code has to run on some server, right? So when I say any, it means among the 10 Jenkins servers, I can say like run on any one server. Suppose I write like agent equal to DevOps. That means the DevOps server with name will be only running the code. Clear, everyone? Now, when you are passing the parameters, there are few things like you need to remember. Okay. Now, when you are talking about parameters, okay, when you are talking about parameters, this is as simple as one is your string parameter, one is your password parameter, again string. When you are passing the string, you write like string, the name, right, and the description. That's it, right? So don't need to give anything. Now, when you say default value, the default value is important. If you are not passing anything, the default value will be taken, like IBM user. So here, this IBM user is sitting here. Clear, everyone? All of you clear with this? Can you tell me yes? If you all say yes, I will be moving forward. Are you all clear with this, guys? Clear, everyone? Shall I move forward? Any means which node code will execute. Yes, beautiful. Okay. Now let's go and see what are the next things you need to know. Now, after this class, you yourself will be able to write the Groovy script. All of you see here? Till here, the parameters completed. Okay. Now, part 2. In the part 2, what is the part 2, guys? Stages. See, under stages, what are there? Under stages, you see, okay, under stages, there are stage. Okay. So, stages are nothing but plural. Yes, plural, right? In stages, you write all your stage, all your compartments, stage 1, stage 2, singular. This is plural, stages is plural, and this is singular. Okay, singular. So stages is plural. Under stages, you create as many as train compartments, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with this code, how many compartments we have? Okay, with this code, how many compartments we have? We have 2 compartments, first and second, right? So this pipeline will give this script, basically this script will give me 2 stages. First is report stage, and the second one is finish stage. Clear, everyone? And you see under each stage there is step. Now step is important to write the code. What you need to do inside each stage, you need to write. Now suppose here you see echo it, here just we are doing the printing, and how we are calling this values, guys. All of you see how we are calling this values? Params. You need to write like dollar params dot value, or like this. Clear? And then automatically from here the value will be sitting here. Clear? Right, everyone? And only important thing is stages. Under stage, you write each stage, right? And stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and under that you write script. Script is what you have to do inside the stage. As simple as that. Clear everyone with the use case 1? Yes. Stages consists of steps. Yes. Okay, clear everyone? Clear everyone? Rajni, Shivaji, Harish, Kiran? In short form, that is called pass pipeline agent. In short form, that is called pipeline agent stage step. Yes, correct. Clear? Yes, all of you? Mr. Rohit Moore. Great. Okay? Now, it's first time I heard infrastructure will create during execution, but most of document they said before implementation of that. That is what I'm telling, right? It happens based on your what you call like your architecture. Okay. Yes, please tell me your question. I will be happy to take. Can we write script without parameters? No, usually parameters are important for I mean, see, there is no hard and fast rule like you have to write parameters block. But in case you don't have, you don't need to write. But in case you are reading from the Jenkins job, then you need to write. Okay. Shall we move to the second use case, guys? The first use case is completed. Shall we move to the second use case? Yes. Okay, someone is asking, suppose if I want to deploy one or more agent value, you write comma. Yes, correct. This is true. Yeah. Okay, Kishore is asking, differentiate between Jenkins and Jenkins file. Now all of you see here. Okay, Jenkins is a tool. Jenkins file is a file with configuration. Okay, with the configuration. Second, Jenkins is basically Jenkins can be integrated with 1 lakh tools. Okay, with 1 lakh tools or 1 crore tools. Now here, for that integration, the Jenkins file is needed. So these are the major difference. Clear everyone? This is a tool, this is a file, and tool plus file will give you the pipeline. Clear everyone? Guys, all of you clear with this? Yes? No? Yes? Data type. Correct, Raghav. That is a data type. Oh, okay. Mohit, Rohit, thank you. Clear? Jenkins file is a text file with configuration. Jenkins is a tool for CICD. Yes, true. Clear? Great. Okay, clear. Now, all of you, those who are watching me on YouTube, please like the video. Okay, please make it 100 likes and do share with your friends if you are liking. Okay, right? Jenkins file is a file which is helping us to create and maintain complete CI/CD pipeline. Clear? Okay. Now let's go ahead and see what are the next use case. All of you see here. Now, in this scenario, usually what manager asks is, all of you see here, in this scenario, don't leave the class because as the scenarios increase, you will see difficulty in understanding. But I am here to help you. Clear, everyone? Right? Right. Now, all of you see here, add the pipeline script in Jenkins to run the pipeline. Okay. Now, what does this mean? And basically, we are, okay, 1 second. We are seeing parallel execution of jobs. All of you see here. Suppose here the scenario 2 is parallel. Okay, I have written already. I will write again. All of you see here. Now, don't leave the class. You have very beautiful scenarios how you can do it. Okay. Scenario 2 is parallel execution of jobs. Clear, everyone? Now, in this parallel execution of jobs, what will happen, right? What will happen? Let's see here how you can create when your manager tells like, okay, I want to run 2 jobs in parallel. Okay, now what was the parallel? All of you see here in this scenario, have you seen something like parallel job is running? Let's assume that in this scenario, the Maven and the Sonar are running in parallel. Yes or no? These are parallel tracks. Yes, parallel, they are executing. Now, how they are executing? Let's see with this use case. Now, all of you see here, what are the same steps, guys? Pipeline, clear. Now, agent, stages, and stage. Are you clear? Are you clear? Now, if you see, entire structure is different now. Guys, from the first file to this file, okay, great. See, Balakrishna is telling Cognizant interviewer asked about parallel pipeline execution of job. So guys, whatever I am telling, all are interview based questions. Clear, everyone? I will get the water. Okay, 1 second. Huh? Okay, are you clear with this? Right? Entire execution is different now. Let's see how the execution is followed, right? Now, all of you see here. Now, how you can run parallel jobs. Okay, when you run the parallel job, see, these things are same. Pipeline, agent, stages, and stage are same. Now, if you see, for this pipeline, we have given agent as none. Okay, but for the stage, we are telling agent any. Now, what does this mean? It means that this pipeline will not be running on any server, to be honest, and this stage will be running on any agent. Like any means, as I've told you in the last example, if when you give any, it means it can run in any of these jobs, any of these servers. Clear, everyone? Now you see steps is same again, but here you see, guys, stage, run loops, stage. Now you see the first compartment is here. When it is coming to the second compartment, it is running like this. Okay, and then it is running like this. Clear, everyone? Now you see parallel, when you are using parallel tag, okay, like this, PARALLEL, like this, when you are using parallel tag, what is happening is inside the tag, just a tag, guys, just the addition of tag will help you to write the stages. Now here you see inside the parallel, how many stages are there? 2, engine 1 and engine 2. Clear, everyone? So what is the keyword here coming new for you? What do you mean by the, so how many parallel jobs are there, guys? How many parallel jobs are there? 2 or 1? Everyone? 2 or 1? Two or 1? 2? Yes, 2. It's new me. Yes, 2. Right? So when you are using the parallel tag, it means that very simple, you are using this parallel tag to create the train like this. First stage, right? Stage is initialize. Okay, the stage name is initial. See, initializing, run loops, engine 1 and engine 2 both start at same time and end run, this one. So all of you see here, this is the pipeline which you have created, and each compartment represents a stage. Now you see, what is this stage? Initializing, stage 1. Now what is this stage? It is engine. Okay, run loops is again a stage, right? This is the main which is running. Now this is engine 1, this is engine 2, and this is engine 3, run end. Okay, now if you see in Walmart, in other companies, the same pattern anyone will follow. Clear, everyone? In any organization you go, The CI/CD structure is same. Clear, everyone? Right? How you can execute the parallel execution of jobs? Clear? Trusha, Omkar, Ramna, or are you all clear? Guys, give me a clear yes. Then I will move forward. Clear? I will show you the next scenario. Clear? Awesome. Right? What about others? Guys, people on LinkedIn, I don't know how many people are there. Let me see people on LinkedIn. How many people are there? Okay, 67 people are watching in LinkedIn. Nice. People on LinkedIn, clear? Clear, guys? All of you? Now, until you give me a clear, I will not move forward, right? If you give me a clear with a clear symbol or anything like yes, no, whatever you have understood. All of you people on LinkedIn, on YouTube, are you clear? From basics to advanced, we are going to talk in each of the scenario. Are you clear? Yes. 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 What about others? People on YouTube, are you clear? Ekdam badhiya. Badhiya. Clear? Great. So let's move ahead. Let's go to the next scenario. Okay? As you have told everyone, clear. So let's go to the next scenario. Now, suppose I want to run, all of you see here, I want to execute my pipeline script. All of you see, very important, this one. Now, what I am going to do is, I have a Jenkins plus I have a Jenkins file. Till now, that's what we have seen, right? Till now, we have seen this too, right? Now, I am introducing you all how these two can be integrated together. Okay, how these two can be integrated together with happily. Okay, the bond between these two, I will be showing you now how you can do it. Okay, now all of you see here, whenever you have a Jenkins like this, right, which is hosted on, and the port of the Jenkins is 8080, guys. Very simple and very beautiful. The port of the Jenkins is always 8080. And guys, I am again telling, if you leave the class, there are many scenarios coming in, you will be missing something good, right? Whatever are there, those are your interview questions, right? For CICD, mostly we will be covering in today's class, and I'll be sharing some of the interview questions with you all. Okay, clear, everyone? Now all of you see here, the port of Jenkins is what, guys? The port of Jenkins is 8080, always universal port. Okay, now all of you see here, once you create any job, now when I talk about job, okay, so you see this job name is job from Jenkins file. The name of this pipeline is job from Jenkins file. Clear? And which is running on port 8080. Okay, now you see what I'm trying to do. All of you see here. Now, how many tabs you are seeing here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you seeing the 4 tabs or not? Yes or no? Guys, everyone, are you seeing the 4 tabs? Yes? Yes, no? Yes, no? Are you seeing the 4 tabs? Guys? Yes? On the Jenkins page, are you seeing the 4 tabs? Right? Now, when you create a pipeline job, right, there are various kinds of job, pipeline job, folder structure creation, or you can say like freestyle job. Now I have selected pipeline, and that is why you are seeing pipeline here. Now very simple, you need to select pipeline option, and you have to say pipeline script from SCM for this drop down. You have to select Git, and you have to add your repository which is having the Jenkins file. Clear, everyone? And once you have added that repository, give credentials if you have, give the branch if you have, and save, apply. And here there will be one more tab, one more option to give the Jenkins file path. Clear, everyone? So what are the steps here to integrate the beautiful, what are the steps to integrate the Jenkins plus the Jenkins file is nothing but these two. Okay, you have the job, you go to the pipeline section, you select the SCM as Git, You give the Git repository in the GitHub. Okay, in the GitHub, you have the file, right? Jenkins file. You give the credentials and you give the branch. Okay, branch where your code is present, and that's it. Your job is done. And you give the file path also. Clear? And with this will run. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Yes, so many yes. Yes, you can manage Jenkins port number also. No issues with that. Okay? Clear? Great. Shall we move to the next scenario? So many scenarios are there. Shall we move to the next scenario? Yes. No questions. Why we need parallel jobs? Beautiful questions, guys. Why are you not asking questions? Right? Why we need parallel jobs? Let me tell you. Okay, very simple. I will tell you. Now, what does the parallel means? When you are doing something in parallel, it means that you are saving time. Okay, you are saving time. So whenever you want to do testing or code quality check, you always execute the code in parallel stage. It means the code is flowing through SonarQube, the code is flowing through, maybe you can say like Maven testing, and the code is flowing through Black Duck. Okay, this is on security related things. Whenever there is security related things or testing related things, all those things goes like this here. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? Right? Why we need? One is to save time. And guys, in my previous organization, 𝐉𝐻𝐿, I have designed the same structure for the pipelines where we were using the parallel job in order to execute the SonarQube, Black Duck, Maven, and Fortify. We were using Fortify also. Okay. Nexus is basically a repository. Okay, Avinash, we are not going to talk about Nexus. Clear, everyone? Right? Okay. Now, okay, all of you see here. Now, I'm going to the fourth scenario. Okay, are you all ready? This will be a little bit complex, but again, very simple, guys. Are you all ready for the fourth? Give me an option 4 for the fourth scenario. Give me an option like this, 4. 4. You give me a 4. Give me a 4, all of you. Then I will start with the fourth scenario. Clear? Everyone, give me a 4. Yes. Yes, all of you, those who are in the class, people on LinkedIn. Yes. Are you all ready for the fourth scenario? Very different scenario, very unique scenario. I want at least 20 people saying 4 in the comment section. Then I will start with the next set of things. Still? Okay, great. So let's start with the fourth scenario, guys. All of you see here, the fourth scenario is unique. Now, I will tell you scenario why we are using that kind of scenario in organization. Okay. Now, in this fourth scenario, what we are going to do, let's see. Okay. Now, guys, all of you see here, I have a Jenkins pipeline. Okay, with various stages. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and similarly many others, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now, what happens, right? In this pipeline, let's assume that this is pipeline 1. Okay. Now, I want to trigger. Now, this trigger has happened because some person from our team, from our DevOps team, pushed the code into GitHub, and immediately the trigger got started. Yes, that is the actual scenario which we have seen in the class. Now, scenario 2, what my manager is asking is basically scenario 4. What my manager is asking is, right, All of you see here, he is asking that you have a pipeline, Praveen. That's really good, right? You have a pipeline, that's really good. But tell me one thing, how you can, now the scenario is, I have a pipeline one. Now he's telling that there is a standalone job outside the pipeline. Okay, there is a standalone job outside the pipeline. Now it is your time. You have to trigger, like after this first two stages, all of you see here, after the first two stages, you have to trigger the third job like this. Then it should be fourth, fifth, sixth. Are you all clear? Now, are you all clear? The 1, 2, after 2, the 3 should be triggered, which is separate from the pipeline, 4, 5, 6. Are you all clear with the scenario? Are you all clear with the scenario? Yes. Are you all clear with the scenario? Right? Everyone? Yes. LinkedIn? Okay. Now tell me, in your mind, are you thinking that, Praveen, if we are running any external job, what is the use of keeping it external? Why can't we add it in our stage? How many of you have doubt like this? My question is simple. Now, I have a pipeline. Praveen, why are we triggering the standalone job? Why can't I add to my pipeline itself? How many of you have doubt like this? Tell me. You have doubt? All of you. How many of you have doubt? When you are interacting with me, then I will be able to understand, okay, you are understanding. Okay, if you are not interacting, I will feel that you are not able to understand what I am talking. Yes. Yes. Now, let me tell you, in organization, what happens, I will be talking in that way. Okay. Now, tell me one thing, guys. This is your pipeline. Very beautiful. Okay. But this job is created by a team or a separate team. Let's think like that. This job is created by security team, and they are not ready to share the job to be kept on this pipeline. Correct? But my manager is telling that, boss, I need this job to be executed. Even though it is outside, write a code for me and get it done by today evening. Okay, are you all clear? This is a separate job which we cannot integrate as 3-stage, but we can make sure that this job is running, then this job is running. Are you all clear with this? Yes. Now, कुछ समझ में आया why we do this? Yep. Sumit, very simple, Sumit. My question was, Praveen, I have a pipeline. Now you are telling that there is a job. Okay, there is a job which this pipeline has to trigger and then run the next jobs. But my ask is, my thinking is, why can't I add this job into the pipeline? As simple as that, right? Makes sense now. Why can't I add this job directly here, right? Now the thing is, this job is given by some security team or some XYZ team, which is not allowing us to run in the pipeline. So what we have done, security purpose, clear, right? So what we have done, we will use the different type of code to execute this kind of status things. Clear? Yes. People on LinkedIn, are you clear with what we are talking? Yes. Okay, you don't know? Okay, shall we see the code? Guys, shall we see the code now? Yes. How to execute the code? Okay, great. What about others? Yes. Other people? Okay, great. So the pipeline is a queue data structure. No, it's not like it's queue, but it's like one by one. Like you can say, like you can call it queue, but we cannot call in terms of coding like queue. It is like whatever the design you make, sequence you give, that sequence only it will follow. Clear? LinkedIn people? Very much worried. You all are. Let's see what are you saying? Yes. Okay, there are many students. Okay, clear, right? Yes. Okay, let's see the code. What does this do actually? Okay, all of you see here. Okay, now this is the code, slight different code, right? But rest all things are same. Okay, now all of you see here. Now all of you see here. Now again, run Jenkins job with pipeline script. Okay, it means that run a job which is away from the pipeline. Okay, this job 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be the order. Usually, what was the order in the previous use cases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here the use case is different. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, now you will see. Okay, all of you see here. Pipeline agent any parameter, string parameter, password parameter, string parameter, string parameter. All of you are clear? Yes. Parameters we have seen. Now from here the stages start. Stages, stage, steps. Okay, right? Now this is steps we have done. Stage, steps. This also done. Now all of you see here there is a new code addition here. Now all of you see here the new code addition here is nothing but this one. Okay, are you all clear? What is the new code addition? Now Groovy code gives us some of the predefined code. That is why it is called declarative. It means someone has already given us various kinds of code to be used. Now what it is doing, run job. All of you see here what we are using the code, run job, and the syntax should be same, run RUN JOB. It should be same, otherwise this is called as method in code, method. Okay, clear everyone? Now that method we are trying to import in our code. Okay, when you say run job, this is the method which we are trying to import in our code and execute our code. Now what we are passing here, you see run job. When I say, okay, when I say run job, what are the parameters we are passing? Whatever the parameters we are getting from above, like params.userid, params.password, params.db_url, params.jcl, and params.maxcc. Okay, with this what will happen is whatever the job URL you are giving, right, or whatever the data you are giving, right, it will start the trigger on other job. Clear everyone? And finally, right, you will get your data like this. Okay, so important here is, right, this one, and this is the job URL. This is the job URL. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is running here, then 4, then 5. Clear everyone? And what is the data you need to use? This one, run job. Very simple, right? Now tell me one thing. This is only important. Okay, run job, parameters you pass. Now tell me guys, is Groovy simple or not? Okay, thanks Azizul, great. Are you understanding how simple it is, guys? Now tell me, if I give you any scenario, will you be able to write? Where are we giving the standalone job URL? Here we are giving, na? You didn't saw? All of you see here? See the data set with JCL of batch job run. JCL DSN. This is the job. The JCL DSN is the job URL. Clear everyone? Right? Now, very simple. How many of you say it is very simple? Now tell me. I want to get at least 50 yes from you all. Now, till now, you have seen many scenarios. Now, tell me, was it simple till now? Yes or no? Now, all of you tell me. Tell me yes or no. Guys, all of you, if you are liking, right, tell me a yes or no. At least I asked that only, right? Quickly. Is it simple, guys? Till now? Just say yes. Or if you are not understanding, say no. That's fine. Now, I will wait for you all to comment. I will wait till 5:20. 5:18 is the time. You can keep a yes or simple, whatever you feel. Okay, Rag, I will tell. Okay. Meanwhile, let's see how many people are there. At least a 50 yes, then I will move forward. Okay, Masood, I will tell. No issues. Okay, still how the two stages are executed, stage 1 to stage 2. Okay. Clear? Everyone? Right? Okay. Now, all of you see here, some people are asking questions. Why we need to run as standby? We need to run job में ना नहीं that वही तो बोला मैं. Okay, you make it simple as always. Now, that is what I told you, right? Guys, all of you see here, his question is, some Rohit, right? I think Rohit only asked. His question is as simple as this. I will repeat again, guys, this one. There are, let's take 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a pipeline. Now, my ask is, okay, there is a 4th job to run. Okay, but I should not integrate that 4th job like this code. Okay, I should run it separately only, because this is the job which is created by security team and not by your team. Clear, everyone? Now, security team is not giving us the access to run the job in our pipeline because they fear that we change some parameters or we hamper the job or we play with the job. That is why they ask us to integrate like this and not into the pipeline as like this. Now you are clear, Rohit? Rohit bhai, clear? Correct. Yadlapalli, correct. In GitLab, all of you see, in Jenkins, each stage is executed by runners. Oh, sorry, by servers. Okay. Now, these are the servers, guys. When you say agent is nothing but servers. So what will happen? The Jenkins is installed on Jenkins server. Okay. And all the stages are running on the agents. Okay. These are like your agent 1, agent 2, agent 3. Clear, everyone? All of you clear? Got it, Rohit? Badhiya. Clear? Yadlapalli, now clear? Very simple. Yes, you need to practice Sampath, right? Rag, पूछो अपना question. What is that question you had? Please ask. Okay, what is this? Where are we giving the standalone job URL? Sneha, I think I have replied to this question, but yeah, let me show you all. Here is the standalone. This one. This is the name, and here you see JCL-DSN, right? This one. Okay, clear, everyone? This is the standalone job URL. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? All of you? Now you clear? Great. Okay, nice. Okay. Now, all of you? No questions right till now? Yes or no? No questions? clear, everyone? Okay, nice. Now, all of you, let me tell you something here. Now, all of you see my screen. So, guys, I'm going to start the batch 5.0, which I have started. Like, it will get started from next week. Like Saturday, we are starting this prime batch 5.0, right? And already registrations are completed, but still there are 5 registrations left for this class. If anyone wants to enroll, where I will be teaching with my experience here, the projects will be unique. I have completed 4 batches in last 1 year, and you should understand that my students are placed in various companies, and you can understand that people are pinging me with various job opportunities, like they are getting jobs. So let me show you one ping which I got today only, right? So if you see my batch 2.0 student Gitesh has got job here, so I will be talking with him right after this class. So I have given him the word, I will call him directly and talk, right? So my students are placed in Cisco, Airtel, Sapient, Infosys, Deloitte. And if you want to see the success stories, all of you see here, these are the things where students are telling what we are doing. This is the student who got placed in Walmart. I went into the office and I have taken the picture. This is a student who got 400% hike, right? And if you see the learnings of our class, how it goes, right? And if you see USA, people are also getting jobs. It's not like that people are not getting. And people are non-IT to IT. See, non-IT guy can pace it up, right? And everything, whatever I tell, right, it's all based on real-time exposure, real-time efforts, which we are keeping, right? Very. And see, a fresher got job, and this happened recently from batch 4. Last batch 4.0 got 36 LPA, and she got placed into visa, right? I'm not talking anything lie. Nothing is lie. You can check with any of the students who are there in batch 4.0. And 20 LPA EPAM Sai Krishna has secured, right? And many success stories, guys. And Mercedes-Benz, right? Mercedes-Benz. Hi, Praveen. Actually, I wanted to thank you for all the DevOps videos and materials you have shared. Helped me a lot in cracking Mercedes-Benz, right? And everything is on real time. And now I will show you some projects if you are keen and interested to know the project. Now, this is the Prime Batch 5.0. If you are seeing, right, I will scroll down. It is starting from November 4th. All of you see here, it is starting from November 4th. 2+ months, Saturday and Sunday are the classes. And you will also get 12 projects here, guys. So what are the projects? Just have a glimpse here. What are the projects we are going to cover? All of you see on the projects, like your Jenkins shared library, right? Groovy scripting, CICD pipeline, shared library, Docker advanced, Kubernetes with 3-tier architecture we are going to do. And many things are there, guys. And everything is on my Walmart experience, my previous organization experience. I have kept projects like that. You see chatbot automation. And if you see my interview experience of Google, Amazon, Paytm, Airtel, SAP, all the companies I myself have cracked. I'm not telling lie. If you go to my LinkedIn profile, I write all the real-time interviews which I usually get, right? So if you see here, my recent post, where is my post, guys? Okay, all of you see here, this was the recent post of my Google interview experience. And whatever I learned in my experience, I will be sharing those questions only. The round 2 lead code questions. And all my last 2 months, I have cracked 10+ companies, guys. And Google, if you see, I clearly put like I was not able to clear after 5th round, right? After the managerial round. But I cracked almost 10+ companies in last 2 months. All the offer letters are with me, right? Only for you all, like how you can be able to grab job offers like our students. If you see in the down, if you see, I will just go down and I will show you like this one. If you see in the last 2 months, I have cracked, see guys, in the last 2 months, I have cracked this many companies: Adobe, Zeta, EPAM, Zoom, Yulu, GameScraft, Rubrik, and so on. And all the interview questions are with me. So you see here, I will give you a glimpse what are the interview questions. And this highest batch, the last 4.0 batch reached 36 LPA. Now, if anyone wants to register, I'm sharing the link. Career gap can also get job, right? So all of you see here, I am putting the link here, and last 5 seats from this particular class I will be taking in. Last 5 seats I am putting in for you all. Usually I put 10 seats, but today I'll be just putting 5 seats. If anyone is interested, you can join www.adevops.in/course detail, and automatically you get 70% off on this course, which is running successfully. And this 70% valid is for this particular time, guys. If you want to enroll yourself, and 2 hours of recordings will be available, and whatever you are seeing is with you. Clear, everyone? Right? Now, all of you go ahead and check out the details, www.adevops.in. I will be the mentor. I will be teaching to you all, and starting from basics to advanced, I'll be teaching. Now, here is week-wise syllabus. Everything is based on my previous organization projects, if you see, and all the tools are there. My students are placed in Walmart, Cisco, Zynga, DXC, and I'm giving the open challenge to everyone. If anywhere you find the mentor who has cracked this kind of companies, and the students of the mentor has cracked this kind of companies, you can proudly tell me the mentor name. Okay, I am very much happy that I have cracked all those companies, and I will be giving you everything. Yes, this particular batch, I'm trying my best, right, to get you all the support which you need. So guys, just enroll yourself, and once you have enrolled, let me know. I will be reducing the count. So I have 5 seats now. If anyone is registering, you just tell me register, right? Okay, Sherry has shared $20. Thanks a lot, Sherry. Really, so much love from you. I don't know from where you are, but yeah, thanks for your support. So guys, we have last 5 seats left. If anyone wants to enroll, I will be waiting. So Rag is asking, if we have a career gap, can we get 20 LPA, Praveen? I need to understand what is your career gap and all. So if you are understanding, yes, this is my course, and this is purely based on my experience. I will be teaching, I'll be running everything. The next, by this batch target is, all of you see here, this batch target is by January first week. If you see, you will be with me October, November, December. By January new year, you all should be job ready is my target, and I will be with you all. I am sharing you all the link in the chat, right? And also in the below, you will be able to see all the links. Clear, everyone? Clear, guys? Just open now. Yes, Rag, definitely it will be working. Okay, she is from USA. Fernley, Nevada, USA. Okay, thanks, Sherry. Okay, all of you see here. Okay, anyone who is registering, let me know as registered in the comment section, and I will be reducing the count. Okay, now after this, don't leave the class. You are having very good scenarios after this. The Jenkins shared library concept we will see, and all those things. Okay, now anyone who is registering, let me know in the comment section. You all can be the part of Hey DevOps. This is my organization which I've started for everyone who is with me, and the course content is awesome, guys. In the market, if anyone is giving you 12 projects in the class, now see, guys, I will tell you about myself. I have cracked 40 plus companies, including Amazon, Microsoft, Walmart, SAP, Informatica, EPAM, Paytm, Airtel, Deloitte, Zynga, and whatnot, guys. And the same thing my students have also cracked, guys. Okay, I have every offer letter with me. I have every interview questions with me. See, guys, I went into few of the offices and designed the system design also. Now, trust on the mentor, right? Trust on the mentor. Clear, everyone? Okay, if anyone has registered, right? If anyone has registered, please let me know. I will be reducing the count. Okay, I will be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you, right? Right, all of you open and let me know if you are able to check out the things. And 70% of it is running, guys. The beautiful concept, beautiful course, the way I am teaching, you should be confident enough that the mentor has cracked, so why not I can crack, right? So my course is going to be the top notch 36 LPA highest package. This batch I am targeting 40 plus LPA. Okay, clear, everyone? So you all can go to www.heydevops.in. You can check out the details. For LinkedIn people, I have given the links on the post itself, or you can see in the comment section, or you can type like www.hdevOps.in. Now, once you have registered, please say registered in the below, and I will be reducing the count. Okay, I'm still okay. Wait, I'm registering. Great. So once you register, let me know, and I will be reducing the count. Right. So once you have registered, let me know. And the highest package which has been attained till now, if you see, is 36 LPA. 36 LPA. And you see here, course start date is number 4, 2+ months, live Saturday, 3 hours of session, and I'll be teaching in depth starting from November 4th only, guys. So already seats are full. So last 5 seats I'm waiting for you all to be part of this course. And you all see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. The next 2 months, you will be with me, with the mentor who has, yes, Darshan, thanks a lot. Yes, course details, Abdul Masood, the course details is here. Just all of you see here, the course details, if anyone wants, is on the links here. And all of you need to understand, this is my video where I have met Dhoni, right? Dhoni sir was very happy with Hey DevOps, the way I'm working, the way I am helping the DevOps engineers. All of you see here at 9:45. Where is my video? At 9:45, all of you see here, I have asked the Dhoni sir a question. If you all don't know, I can show you right away. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me close the LinkedIn. All of you see here, right? This is what, see. Are you all able to hear what I am talking, guys, with Dhoni sir? Are you all able to hear what I am talking with Dhoni sir? Yes? Audio? Are you able to hear? Guys, are you able to hear what I'm talking with, sir? People on LinkedIn? No. Okay. Okay, that's fine. You are not able to hear. Okay. Okay, then I'm not sure what is the issue. Let me check the settings. No. Okay, let me check the settings. Audio, Zoom audio device, default MacBook Air. Okay, speaker, default MacBook Air built-in. Okay. Now you check. I will be opening. Are you able to hear now? Are you able to? Okay. That's fine. Okay. Okay, that's fine. You all can watch this video later. Okay, so that was Dhoni sir. But yeah, that is really a good thing. Okay, that's fine. All of you can watch later, right? I can share you the link of the YouTube. You all can watch what question I have asked. At 9:35 it starts. So basically, I was asking about Dhoni sir hairstyle. So he got very happy with that. Okay, where is that? Where is that? अभी तो देखे थे. Let me search. Yeah, this is the link. All of you, once you reach, I mean, once we complete the class, all of you can see at 9:40, 9:35. Okay, at 9:35 you all can see this video. Okay, that's fine. Now all of you see, if anyone has registered, let me know, guys. Anyone has registered? If anyone has registered, you can let me know, right? I will be reducing the count. Okay, done registration. What's your name? I want to know your name also so that I can spell it out. Okay, Tausif Basha is waiting. So all of you see, I have given the link in the chat itself. The very next link will be in the chat. So last 4 registrations left, guys. Last 4 registrations. No audios. Okay. Okay, now are you getting audio? My audio is reachable. My audio is reachable, guys. Everyone. Yes, Jira is also included. We will be creating. So all of you see, Darshan is correct. All of you see, we will be having every user this kind of portal, you will be having darshan.atlassian.net or what's your name? Who has registered? Let me know. Darshan has registered. I have done, sir. Check, please. What's your name, brother? That's what I want. That's what I want. What's your name? Those who have registered. Abdul. Okay, your Jira portal will be abdul.atlassian.net. Now, what are the other people names? Those who have registered, let me know. And we will be doing the shell scripting automation on your Jira portal. So this will be your Jira portal where all the data you will be able to change, and I will be doing with you all the hands-on. Every project is a hands-on, right? Every project is a hands-on, and you will be with me. Last 4 registrations left, guys. All of you. Yes, it's clear. Great. Robel. Okay, Robel has done. Okay, Robel has registered. Last 4 registrations left. Very simple. www.heydevops.in. AWS admin. Okay, I will be teaching everything. So all of you see here, in the week 7, you have this project. Week 6, you have this project. Week 5, you have this project. AWS is entire week 5. Week 4, shell scripting, real-time scenarios. Week 3, Python and chatbot. You will create chatbot with me, and when your chatbot say hi, it will reply hello. When your chatbot say something, you will get the data. Clear, everyone? Now, anyone who has registered, let me know. Anyone is registering? Last 4 seats left, guys. Trust the mentor. Trust me. Definitely, we will be working together, right? Clear? Everyone, guys, those who are with me, anyone is registering, or what is your thought? Any questions you have, guys? Any questions? Now 70% off. Yes, Darshan, definitely we will learn everything. We will learn everything, Darshan, don't worry. And I'm damn sure that you will get the biggest things because you have got the internship opportunity also, I know, right? So definitely it will help you. Clear, everyone? Right. Okay, last 4 seats left, guys. Last 4 seats left. If anyone wants to register yourself, you can register. This 70% off is running, right? All of you see, this is what the projects you will get, and this is what the course content you will get. My students are in Walmart, Zynga, Airtel, Deloitte, Techolution, NEC, Infosys, Kesaya, Hexaware, and many other companies. Okay, last. Okay, great, Azizul, great. That's good, Azizul. Thank you. Okay. Now, anyone who is registering or in the phase of enrolling, let me know. I can wait for some time. Okay, anyone has queries? Start date and end time. Okay, start date and end time, everything is in the batch. Start date November 4th, 9 a.m. IST, you will be with me. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, you will be with me. From November 4th, December 4th, January till January, New Year, you will be with me. My target for this batch is by January, I should be able to get you all jobs, is my target, because New Year, let's start something new, is what my concept is. Clear, everyone? Timings of the class, Vatsala, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday, and doubts clearing session on every Wednesday, 8 p.m. IST, or Thursday we will have doubts clearing session. Class duration 3+ hours. Class recording provided, yes. Course validity 2 year. Programming language use Python, and no prerequisites, beginner friendly. Clear, everyone? Clear? Start date and end date I have sent already, and if anyone is available, you all can check. People on LinkedIn, I have shared already the links on your chat, right? If you are looking at the chat, you can see. I am again telling, right? This is the chat link. You all can get it, www.heydevops.in, or else you can search my organization, heydevops.in. You can come down, you can see here, right? And you can go to the website from here also. Okay, you see here. Where is this website? Okay, I think view as a member, because I am the admin. Yeah, view as member. All of you see here. Yeah, here you will get show all details. Under this, you will get the company website. Okay, all of you, you can follow this page also, and you can be the part of this page also. Clear? And this is what your basically your mentor has done, right? Your mentor has met Dhoni sir. I hope you all know, right? And this was the amazing feel. right, at that point of time, right? Yes, Darshan, few recruiters we have with us, right? You heard it right. Okay, Vatsala, no problem. What we will do is you have recordings for 2 years, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, actually Saturday you are working, right? So that point of day you have project documents, class notes, everything with us. You can access website after the live session. Recording will be available. So Saturday alone you can watch the recording. Okay, clear everyone? Clear guys, everyone? Bootcamp projects will be in course or other projects? No bootcamp projects are there in the class. Okay, I'm frankly speaking, no bootcamp projects are there in the class. Everything is new. That is why you pay, you come, you learn industry level projects. Everything is, no project is on YouTube, to be honest. Okay, clear Vatsala, right? I have deployed Atlassian product Jira and Confluence caching in Linux in my company. It is great opportunity to deploy your own Jira portal. Really excited for this prime batch class. Great, nice, Abdul, nice. So all of you see here. Okay, two last registrations, guys. Two last registrations, and I will start the class again. Two last registrations. Already we got 3. Okay, two last registrations. Okay, two last registrations, guys. Anyone is registering, let me know. I can wait for you for 1 more minute, right? And then I can start for the class. Clear everyone? Website login details and the materials. Once you have logged in, Robel, right? Once you have logged in, under the purchase tab, you will get the access. Okay, my dream to meet you, sir. You make life easy. Thanks a lot. Okay, thanks a lot. So guys, one last enrollment I am waiting, guys. One last enrollment for everyone, those who are with me till now. One last enrollment we are waiting. Anyone who is interested to upskill your career by new year, right, will be with me, and I assure the best in class projects, the real-time scenarios, the course content, everything you see here. And once you log in with your registered email ID, everything will be there. Yeah, recordings will be there, Abdul, so don't worry about that, right? Clear everyone? One last registration I'm waiting. Anyone on YouTube is going to register? Let me know. I can wait for some more time. Okay, one last registration, guys. Okay, Hiren Kumar, fees is 70% off as of now. If you see, the lowest among all the courses, any mentor who is running the course anywhere in the India, at least I would say, right, with this type of content, with the companies I have cracked, with the highest package of 36 LPA 12 plus projects, Prime Batch 5.0 is running at 70% off. You can enroll today with 70% off, guys. 1 week is left. From tomorrow the price is going to change, right? So 1 week is left, exactly this 5 days are left, hardly. 1 2 3 4 5, right? From number 4th we are starting our class. I hope you will get the best in class knowledge, the best in class details, the best in class projects, everything in real time. Clear everyone? Clear everyone, right? Okay, one last registration I am waiting for you all. How you can join, everything is in the website, right? I'm waiting for one last registration, guys. Okay, and already I have uploaded the documents on the portal. Okay, one last registration, guys. Who is with me? Hiren? Yes, it's done. I have told you. Hello, sir. What about fresher in jobs? So fresher jobs, yes, you are having. Now, what the thing is, little bit tough time for freshers are, right? Fresher is going. But yeah, you all need to upskill, right? Job तो ऐसे ही कोई देगा नहीं. आपके पास content होगा तभी आपको job देंगे, right? तो उसके हिसाब से हम लोग काम करेंगे, ठीक है? Clear everyone? Okay, one last registration, guys. Okay, one last registration. If no one is there, Sir, I got a call from TCS. Might be I can crack it after 5.0. Yes, definitely, Rohit. But try now. Why you are not trying? Try now itself, right, Rohit? Yes, Darshan. Thanks a lot. Okay, one last registration. Okay, one last registration. I am sharing the link for one last time. I'll be waiting for, time is now 5:48. I'll be waiting till 5:50. The next 2 minutes I'll be waiting for you all. If you all are interested, you can join. One last seat for 4950, and these are the things which you will be getting from me: Adobe questions, Rakuten questions, Yulu questions, Zeta, Zoom, Simpress, Nest, Atlassian questions, right? Whatever I have cracked. Vaishnavi, at least 1 year of experience you need. Okay, at least 1 year of experience you need to start it, right? I mean, job, to get a job, right? Okay, so guys, meanwhile, let's complete the Jenkins shared library concept also. There was one last concept left. So all of you see here. Meanwhile, someone is registering. I don't want to waste much time of yours. So all of you see here. We'll complete the Jenkins shared library concept. Now, very important concept for you all to learn. All of you see here. When I talk about Jenkins shared library, very simple concept is this, right? Now, let me think in this way. Okay, I have two projects, guys. Okay, I have project 1, I have project 2. Okay, very simple. Now, in these two projects, what we are going to do is, this has one Jenkins file, this has other Jenkins file. Clear? Now, the thing is, both of them are sharing same code. Okay, now tell me, do you think that two Jenkins file with same code is needed? How many of you think? Do you think that two Jenkins file with the same code is needed or not? How many of you think? We don't need, right? We don't need two Jenkins file with same code to be present in two repositories. Do you need or not? Yes or no? We don't need, right? Guys, are you all there? People on LinkedIn? What about you? Yes, no? Not required, right? Not required. Usually that is not required, right? So for that reason only, what we have come up is, we have come up with a Jenkins shared library. Now what this library will do is, actually this library will help you in making the code simplify, right? So what we will do, it is Jenkins file 1, Jenkins file 2. So usually what we do is, we create one single library. Now what usually library in college means, or school means, the library in school means where you have all types of books at one place, correct? So similarly, in Jenkins shared library, we have different kinds of code, like your SonarQube code, your Docker code, your Maven code. It means that you have the code in the library and you call this method, right, in your actual Jenkins file. So it means that similarly, you saw run job. Okay, it was a method, right? You say like Maven build, and you just call the parameters like Maven build. You say like app name, that's it, and this will be taken and called to the shared library. Okay, now in simpler terms, I would like to tell you very simple. All of you see here. Now there are two Jenkins file, but I combined everything into one folder. Correct? Now in this folder you have shared library. Okay, shared library. Now if I want to use this shared library in my Jenkins file, what I will do, this is the syntax, guys. All of you see here, at library you need to use it in the pipeline script. At library, the library name, you need to use it. Clear, everyone? So the library name is what? Pipeline library. And once you have used this, rest all code will be same, but only thing is, you will be using the methods here. All of you see here, send start build is the method where you are passing the environment. Clear, everyone? And this is present in the shared library, and this is read from here, and this is read from here. Clear, everyone, what we are discussing? Clear, everyone? Clear? Shared library concept. Now let's see how you integrate basically your shared library. All of you see here, this is the simple code I have kept here for you all. All of you see here, guys. The first thing is your shared library call at library, the library name. Now library name is nothing but the folder name which is present, and under the folder structure you would see, all of you see here, these are methods, right? Under the folder there is a file. Let's take job.groovy. Okay, under this there is a method run job cert. Okay, and in this method what we are passing here from this main pipeline Jenkins file, okay, what we are passing parameters, and this is called to this, and this is invoked, and then this, and then this, and finally it takes the parameters and executes the data and reply backs with the status as success or failure. Clear, everyone? Rest all code is same, but only thing is here the methods will be called. Clear, everyone? Guys, all of you clear? Clear, everyone, guys? With this, what we have understood is whenever you want to call some shared library, right, you need to use this. Okay, you need to use at library function. Clear, everyone, guys? All of you. What we have learned today, we have seen various kinds of Jenkins file. Okay, we have seen various kinds of scenarios. We have seen multiple codes where use cases, depending on the use case, how your project will be different, how your manager will make your project different. Shivan, you want me to tell again? Okay, let me tell. All of you see here, guys. Shivan has asked, so let me repeat again. All of you see here. Now, this is the library. Okay, at library, the name of the library. Now, this is basically, let's take submit job is a folder. Okay, submit job is a folder. Under this folder, there is a Groovy script with name. Let's take test.groovy. Okay, under this Groovy, there is a method called run job cert. Run job cert. And in this method, there are two parameters, or the parameters are getting passed. Now, how the actual code will run is, when it comes to this, it will invoke this library, this will be invoked this one, this will invoke this, and this will invoke this, and finally this will respond back to this step with success or failure. Clear, everyone? Very simple, right? Clear, everyone? Yes? No, it will not go, Sneha. If one is failed, one is passed, it will not go. Okay, clear, everyone? Right? People on LinkedIn, are you all clear? Yes? Okay, great. Now, all of you, if you want me to follow, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you all can follow me on Instagram, right? So we are doing good here also in Instagram, right? So you all can follow me, right? Connect with me, right? And any queries, if you want to talk with me one-to-one, so you can join today's live in Instagram, right? So we are having, like, basically with a theme of how I have cracked 40 plus top organization. That is what the theme on the LinkedIn, on the Instagram is. If anyone wants to join and follow me, right, you can follow. Okay, clear, everyone? Right? Okay, so all of you, still one registration was left. Let's see if anyone joins from this place or any other place. Okay, so see you all in the next class. All of you, thanks for joining. Again, I would be just going showing you the flow, how this 2 months is going to help you. The highest package in batch 4.0 was 36 LPA. I am not telling lie, with 12 plus real-time projects. From fresher, do you see, from beginner friendly to experience level content, I am going to deliver to you. the mentor who has cracked 40 organizations: Amazon, Walmart, SAP, Informatica, Paytm, Airtel, Deloitte, whatnot, guys. All of the things I have cracked, and everything is from basics to advanced. You will learn so many good things here. And also those who are joining, you see here, this time we have kept the community page for you. This will be your community page where you can connect with the people, share your thoughts, and help each other, right? And like, comment, share with your data, right? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, right? So everyone is active, right? You can definitely get help from that. Clear? Great. Thank you so much, sir, from Hearsay. Thanks, Sherry. Okay, great. Today I learned how to write Jenkins and parallel concept and standby run job method and shared library. Special thanks to you, sir. Great. Okay, thank you all for joining, and meet you all in the batch 5.0, which is starting from this Saturday. And with more power, more Josh, we'll be working, right? And yeah, Darshan, tell me. Okay, meanwhile, if anyone wants to enroll, you all can come and enroll yourself, right? Okay, Sherry, thank you. Okay, Darshan, for anyone who has already enrolled, right, they will be getting the data already, right? So gateway is open, but seats are left, right? Seats, the number of seats with this price or whatever you have enrolled, right? Right, because I know you from VIT, right? So whatever you have seen, that will not be applicable to anyone, right? Okay, so just check on that. Okay, thank you all for joining. It was really nice talking to you. And if anyone wants to enroll, you can enroll with the 70% off, basically, right? So anyone wants to talk with me, or we are good to wind up this session, right? Okay, we are good to wind up this session. So let me stop the screen share. Thank you all for joining today's session. Please like the YouTube video if you are liking the content, and thank you so much. Thanks, everyone. Take care. Bye. This is Singam signing off. And if anyone wants to connect, they can come on Instagram live today, Singam for DevOps. Okay, chalo. Bye. Take care. Bye bye. Yeah.